There's a button, you have to press it. Long press until it will be white. Yan. There's a button. Madrang ganda. Hindi kita narinig.
Hindi nga, kahit si Ero naman kumain. Si Kasan nga bumuhay.
Ang ganda.
Ay, hindi ko na planet.
Pwede mo yung connecting devices.
Saan na si kayo? Ha?
Yung devices pwede mo siyang connect. Yan yung ano mo, yun yung return. Ito, te. Kuhain siya. Ito, kasi. Bahala ka sa buhay mo kung saan ka masaya.
Hello everybody, I'm Roselle. I hope you are all enjoying the best of your health. Huawei is launching yet another true wireless stereo earphone innovation, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. I think it will be cool if I give you a quick overview of this cool device. So, let's get started. FreeBuds Pro comes with a high-end premium iconic design with a beautiful balance of the curve shape and texture. And with this, Huawei has reinvented the design DNA for the FreeBuds category. FreeBuds Pro also features the new all-comfort fit design, which provides the perfect balance between stability and comfort. Now, you can have a long phone call with your friend or simply enjoy your music for a longer time without any squeeze or stuffy feelings. Huawei FreeBuds Pro is the world's first dynamic, active noise cancellation through wireless stereo earphone. It can intelligently switch the noise cancellation mode between cozy mode for quiet environments such as library or workplace, general mode for crowded environments such as streets or cafes, or ultra mode for noisy environments such as airplanes or train subways, according to the environment you're in, and provide comfortable listening and communication in addition to noise cancellation. It also comes with the awareness mode, which amplifies the surrounding noise, letting you hear essential sounds like a public announcement or someone speaking to you. FreeBuds Pro features dual antenna design, which provides a 360-degree signal coverage and increased connection stability between your smartphone, tablets, and headphone. Not only that, you are not free to connect the Huawei FreeBuds Pro earbuds to two separate devices at the same time, and switch seamlessly and effortlessly between the two connected devices, such as answering a call from your phone while having an online meeting on your tablet. The FreeBuds Pro also features smart gesture control at your fingertips. For active noise cancellation awareness mode, simply press and hold either earbud. To answer a phone call or play and pause the music instead of tapping, simply pinch either bud. For volume control, simply swipe on either bud and turn the volume up and down. FreeBuds Pro comes with amazing battery life with noise cancellation turned off. A single charge brings you up to 7 hours listening and up to 30 hours when coupled with a charging case. You can also use smartphone or tablet to reverse charge the charging case. Huawei FreeBuds Pro comes in 3 iconic colors: the silver frost, the ceramic white, and the classic carbon black. For more details and pre-booking, visit any Huawei nearby store, or you can also visit Huawei online store. That's all for today, and see you soon for another cool product from Huawei. Thank you for watching.
Huawei, make it possible.
Make it me clear.